Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the South Park Phone Destroyer game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the South Park Phone Destroyer game on your device, and from the home page or your mission menu, just tap on the phone icon at the top right corner. This will then open up your in-game phone option, from which you can tap on settings. Now within the settings page, you will see the language drop-down menu. Just tap on this, and then you can choose from the list of various languages that are available. Just tap on whichever language you wish to use, and this will restart your game and apply your language right away. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want if you wish to once again change your language in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the South Park Phone Destroyer game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.